All right, this is my review of the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod. So let's get it to maximum height just so you guys can see it. You've got two different adjustment heights with the legs. I think these are already at max height. So basically, this is it at max height, and these legs lock in place with these clips right here. It's super easy. You've got that anchor here if you need to use like a weight bag. You also can up it even more with this wind here. That goes all the way up there. You've got a useful handle if you want to grip it like this, take it down and grip it like this. Basically, this is the only tripod I use. I use this tripod to film all my videos for Amazon, and I've used this tripod for years to film videos for YouTube or courses that I've made or anything like that. You also have a leveler, so it's gonna show you when it's level there as well as there. You can also, obviously it's got a smartphone attachment, but you can also, let's see, you can also remove that, and then you can just clip in your camera, your DSLR camera right there. Dude, it's super easy to use. You can tighten that so it doesn't move. I mean, it's just, honestly, I've never had a problem with this tripod for years, and this is the only one I use. So I personally, I'm not a super techie guy. Like, you're gonna see all these tech reviews from people that are like super into tech. I'm just a guy who sometimes I need a camera and I want to be able to press record, and I want it to be able to be steady and balanced. This is the tripod for you.